This Forex trading strategy was a secret until now. Alright, so in this video, I will show you step by step how to use this insanely profitable strategy by using this secret indicator. What am I talking about? What is this secret indicator? Well, it's the indicator we just discussed in our previous video. It is the volume profile indicator. We go right here, we click volume profile, and then you select this one from KV4 coins. You click on it, and then please go ahead and copy these settings here. After that, you click OK, and you are all set. Why do I call this a secret indicator? Well, it's really not a secret indicator. The reason I call it like this is because nobody is talking about it. Everyone is talking about moving averages. Everyone is talking about Ichimoku cloud. Everyone is talking about MACD, about RSI, but no one is really talking about this volume profile indicator that I shared with you in the last video. And I told you that this is most likely my favorite trading indicator at this moment. And in this video, I will show you an exact strategy you can use with this very cool indicator. So let's get right into it. You will need three things. First of all, you need to know how to read market structure. Okay, when we are in a uptrend, we move to the upside by forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. And when we are in a downtrend, we move in a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. Okay, this is how we read market structure. I do have more in-depth video on market structure on my channel, so if you find it hard, please go ahead and watch those videos after you'll finish this strategy video. All right, second thing that we need is the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and we only need these levels that we have here. Okay, you can quickly pause the video and copy all these levels, and now we are all set. And third thing is, of course, our secret indicator, the volume profile. Now, what do we look for when we want to enter a trade? Well, firstly, we have to look for market structure. Is the market going up or is the market going down? In this scenario right here, we are using previous market structure because I don't want to cherry pick my entry. I'm using the 4-hour for this video example, but as a disclaimer, you can use this strategy on whatever time frame. Please go ahead and check it out yourself, backtest it, get the hang of it, and don't take anything for granted, okay? Do your own diligence, do your own backtest. I am not a financial advisor. Now, in this case right here, check this out. We can just place a trend line for the sake of it and see that we are moving to the upside, okay? It's very clear. We are breaking highs. We broke the high here, we broke a high here, then we broke again, and then again. So in this case, we have a bullish market structure. Market is moving upwards. Then we know that we will look for buys. And now what I will do is I will use the bar replay to show you a live example of how we would have looked for a trade. So in this scenario right here, check this out. Market structure. Okay, so we moved up, created a higher high, we created a higher low, and then we created a new higher high. So now from here, we know that we could look for a retracement in our discount area to look for another buy that will break this high right here. Okay, so we have a BOS right here. We broke structure right here to the upside, and we created a new high. Now, second step, what we do now? Well, after we see that price is starting to retrace a bit, we then place our fib level from the most recent higher low to the newly created higher high, which is this one right here. Okay. And the last thing we do is we enable our volume profile, which in this case is right here, and we draw a rectangle around it like this. After that, we can just make it invisible. And lastly, now all that we have to do is place a buy limit, because this is a buy scenario, right on the zone, which would be here. And then stop loss could be right below the zone or below the 100 level, depending on how aggressive you want to be. And then take profit could be 0 level. Okay, either the 0 or the -618, but 0 is more conservative, and it will give you a bigger win rate. Okay, so now all the parameters are set. Firstly, we checked market structure. We saw that we are moving up. We broke structure to the upside. Then, after we see price starting to retrace, we place our fib from the higher low to the newly created higher high. And lastly, we then enable our volume profile and draw a rectangle around it. And after that, we are good to place a buy limit. Check this out. Okay, tapped in right there very beautifully. And this was a very nice winning trade. As you can see, I mean, it would have smashed this take profit as well. You can either choose take profit 1 here and close half of your position and then take profit 2 here. And you can also move stop loss at break even after take profit 1 is hit or after 1-to-1 is reached. That depends on how you want to manage your trade. Okay, so in my opinion, this strategy is very good. Why? Because it gives you more confluences. Confluence A is that we are moving upwards, so we could expect price to continue moving to the upside because we know from market structure that we are in a uptrend. Confluence B is the fib level. We know that the area between 60 and 78 is a very good discount area where price usually likes to reject from. And confluence C is our volume profile, which in my opinion is very important because this literally shows us where volume is in the market. Okay, and as you can see, it literally rejected, it bounced right off the volume profile point of control line. Okay, I'm not saying this will happen every time. Of course, this doesn't work 100% of times. Nothing does work like that, but it can give you a very important confluence. And that's why, in my opinion, this has to be one of my favorite indicators at this moment in time. Okay, and to be honest, this is the strategy. This is the easiest way to use this strategy. Go ahead, backtest it. You can use it on any time frame you want. As I said, do your own diligence. Go ahead and see what works for you, what time frame you prefer, and then, of course, do whatever you want with this knowledge. I just wanted to share this with you because I thought it's really cool. And of course, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on content like this. Make sure to let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, and if there's any questions. I always make sure to check every single comment out. And if you want to see a very cool video where you will learn how to trade supply and demand and possibly make $100 a day, make sure to click this video that will pop right now on the screen. And as always, I wish you all a lovely day, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.